So it was a good deal. Yeah, the jet ski we got out of down in Naples a while back. We got it to run. We couldn't get the title. The guy that told us he could get the title, he never got around to it. So we ended up selling it to a guy and gave him that guy's number. So I don't know if he ever worked out a deal to get the number. We sold that and a trailer that we had sitting here. I think Logan said for $1,500. So it was a good deal. Now, a lot of times when somebody buys something like that, all they're going to do is take it and take the motor out of it and fix something else. So that's typically what happens if they don't want to mess with the title issue. Or they'll have a hull that has a title and they'll put the motor into that, something like that.